showing my brother how to make slime.
And hopefully, you guys at home, this will be a tutorial for you guys.
So let's get on to the video. Let's go. Okay, so now we're going to be starting with the glue. You got the glue?
Yep. We got a big tub for a bunch of.
So you're going to add a little bit because it makes a big slime. It's just with all shaving cream and stuff. So we're just going to add a little bit.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, that's so heavy.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
That's a little bit, trust me.
Okay. I have to trust my sister. She's the one that makes the slime all the time. That should be enough, right? Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Put the cover on this.
A little bit.
And we forgot to tell you it's going to be a galaxy slime. I'm going to have blue.
I'm going to have purple.
Yes. Okay, so next we're going to add the shaving cream.
All right, you go first because I have no clue how to do it.
You're going to add a lot. I forgot to shake it. Make sure to shake it.
Yeah, because then you're going to end up like that. And then if you do shake it, it'll end up like
fluffy.
Yeah, like very fluffy. Like that. It looks more like shaving cream. Alright, my turn.
So we're gonna mix it up here once you're done.
Is that enough? Alright.
Okay. Alright, next we're gonna mix it up.
I have no clue how to do this, just saying, guys. I don't know when it looks ready. So I think you should just watch her, not me.
Mix it up for like 30 seconds or something. Yours looks good. Yeah, that's good.
Alright,
now you're gonna add the food coloring.
Yep. She's doing blue, I'm doing purple.
Add like 2 drops.
Yeah, 2 drops.
2 drops. 2 drops. Yeah, that's good. I feel like yours is like a pink, but whatever.
Mine's gonna probably turn out like a boy pink. Alright.
From all that foam, fluffy stuff. Oh my gosh.
Mine is pink. Mine is pink. I need more purple dye.
Yeah. What color you want is depending. So first start out with.
That should probably be good enough.
With the light.
And guys, this might be good enough.
And then it gets darker the more you.
Oh my goodness! Is this gonna make it? No. I'm sorry.
And after this.
It's not enough. It's just pink. I need it purple.
Yeah, so you're going to want to keep adding
until you get to the color you want.
I don't think yours is going to turn purple, sadly.
You know what? I change of plans. Ours is going to be a light blue and a pink galaxy color. Because this is all mine is going to turn into.
Yeah, I just added a lot because not getting a dark blue. Okay.
I'm sorry about this purple.
Oh my gosh, it's turning so dark.
Oh my goodness. I think that might be enough.
Yeah, I think we need another food dye.
Maybe next. We're gonna have to deal with this food dye.
No, I think there's more.
Yep.
Where did that come from?
Well, I guess we can add some red to the purple.
Magically, I'm gonna get some blue.
Red.
Okay. All right. Wow.
Red. So I'm adding red, guys and girls.
So red and blue makes purple. That's why it randomly came over here.
Yep. So
after he's
blue, because that
yours is really pretty already. I really like.
I think that might, guys. I think that might be enough blue. I think I added too much. I think that's too much.
Too much.
Wait.
It's turning purple.
All right, our plan actually worked.
Yes, we didn't have any help whatsoever. No.
Wink, wink.
Going.
All right. Yeah, it works.
It works. Yeah, that works. Okay, so I think you're done. I'm done.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, guys, we made purple.
I made light blue.
What's next?
So next we're gonna add the glitters, which I need scissors. They're gonna randomly appear in 3, 2, 1. There use the scissors.
Yeah, we totally didn't get any help. Wink, wink.
Totally.
All right. Then we're only gonna add a little bit, I guess.
We're gonna add half and half. That's good. Add like that much.
All right.
Now we're gonna stir it up again.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir.
Okay, yeah, it's gonna get lost, so you're gonna add as much as. Mine is turning brown.
Mine isn't. Mine is like a really nice purple. This was like a galaxy purple.
Well, the dots are brown, but whatever. Okay, next. This is the hard. This is the hard part.
Is it the activator?
Yes, it's the activator. So we're gonna grab a spoon. We're gonna grab some baking soda.
Because that baking soda.
That baking soda.
Which is funny because it sounds like it's bacon soda. Yeah, it's your bacon soda.
Okay, well, you're gonna want this much.
I only want a little bit. You got it?
Yeah. Okay.
I guess I get to stir it.
No, not yet. Okay.
Oh.
Gotta move on. We don't mix it yet. Okay. Next, we're gonna get your
Activator.
contact solution.
Yeah, ours is contact solution.
Contact?
I don't know.
You're gonna add that much.
All right, you're gonna
Guys,
add that much. Don't do too much, or else that's not.
Don't put it over there. Put it where and leave the cap off. Me struggling because my arms are like noodles.
Boom. Done in like 2 seconds. All right.
Okay, keep mixing until it's like. Oh wow, man! It's actually mixing up straight ahead.
Look at this.
We're not yet. So once it smells like foam already.
Yeah, that's good.
The room is foam.
You're weird.
Thank you.
All
Okay,
right,
next
yeah,
we're gonna add a pinch of baking soda. Not a spoon, a pinch.
A pinch.
Baking.
Baking soda. Ah! It's on me. Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, we're gonna add a little tiny bit.
As you squeeze it like
I know.
boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka.
Oh, my foam. What? This is foam. Yeah, this is foam. My fluffy slime is almost done.
Mine isn't.
Okay, then
Mine actually is probably done.
Then no, it's not. Put your finger in there. I dare you.
Yes, it is. It's done.
That's not done.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right. I just.
Is it sticking to the sides when you mix it?
Be prepared. Everyone, just be prepared because you might have to touch it a couple times. So.
Okay, if it sticks to the bowl like this, then that's how you know it's starting to form.
Mine is not.
Then that's how you know it's not starting to form.
More contacts.
Contacts?
Whatever. Contacts. Whatever.
Give me some that. Give me some milk.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a lot. Why did I add that much?
Is this good? Is this starting to get good?
I don't think so. But
nope. I don't think so.
Welcome back to us trying to fail.
Us failing.
Us failing.
Us
That's the channel name. Us failing.
Ha ha ha. Funny one.
I'm not.
We're gonna grow up, see this video, and be like, "What were we doing?"
I know.
I totally didn't pour more contact solution on. I keep saying it wrong. I can't. I totally did not say that wrong.
What did you say?
Contact solution.
Guys, did he say that? I'm guessing that's a no.
Yes, I did. Yeah, that didn't. I don't even think this is working for mine. Look at it. When I stir
You
it,
just have here. Let me have it.
you're the mixer. You're a baker now.
I'm a baker now. See how good that is? You just have to really. really stir it. You need to add more contact solution and a little bit more baking soda. Great. Guys, oh my gosh, this is so much hard work. I feel bad for people who have to do the dishes. Oh wow, yours is actually really good.
Is it done?
No.
Dang it.
Put your finger in there. Oh yeah, it is. Keep doing this.
So wait, what? So what do I have to do?
Do this. And we can pour it onto the table because it's rubber. Rubber.
Today is our Christmas.
Yep.
We do a little bit later because I can only come here during the weekends. And
But it's Wednesday.
I got lucky. I got lucky this year. Well, this week. Is that good? Snap. I think my slime is done.
No, it's not.
It won't get off of my hands.
Okay, so try
Adding contacts. Can you do that?
contacts. It's contacts.
Can you add some contacts?
Ready?
Yep. Squirt. You want to squirt it
That's a
on.
lot.
Can you take out the
You also need some baking soda.
can you take that?
You want the spoon taken out?
Yeah. You stabbing me with it. Guys want to mix it up? Oh, my hand.
Oh my gosh, this is actually sticking great.
I think this is good. I think mine is good. Hey, mine is good.
Yeah, totally. Oh, mine is super good.
Mine isn't. It won't get off of me. Why did I?
I'm gonna help you.
Why did I decide to put my hands in it?
Don't just take one hand, take two hands or something and massage it, and then you can put both hands in. Sorry I didn't tell you that, but just doing my daily work.
What? You're mean to everyone?
No.
Well, this just helps. This just helps right here.
Oh wow, this is
Hey
good.
guys. Help me.
Welcome back to Caleb failing and me winning. Sorry. Don't.
I just did. Oh, I just did. Yeah, how do I get this off?
You have to go to the sink.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
You have to go to the sink. Go to the bathroom sink. He'll be back in a second.
Yeah. I do it. Yeah.
What is my doings?
Guys, I finally have my hands free. Oh, there's
Did I get
hair.
Some hair? Look at how good mine is. Look at how good mine
This
is.
came from the dead. Yeah, is mine good? Is mine good?
Try taking 2 fingers and doing this.
Okay.
No, with your thumb and...
Already too late.
Guys,
Is this good?
Do you know what you're doing?
Not a clue. I don't do slime. What do we do?
Okay, so first we're going to want to fix this.
Yeah.
So take your bucket up.
It's not a bucket.
And this will be clean.
He calls this a bucket.
It will be clean in 3, 2, 1. Our area is clean.
Yeah, all we have is this
And that.
this.
Okay, so I think I can use my hands. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Mine is too sticky.
So guys, our whole plan of making 2 slimes, they're pretty big, right?
Yeah, we're gonna put them together.
We're gonna put them together and it's gonna make a giant slime.
And you know what that slime's gonna try to be?
A galaxy.
Yes, exactly what she said. She is smart.
This is...
Alright, you can unpause the video.
Wait.
Oh.
It's...
We're totally not editing that out.
No.
Oh my goodness. Yay! I'll need to mix it very well. Hers is like so clean, mine is so dirty. I need more.
Because I'm a slime expert.
As you said earlier, you're not.
Oh.
You said that earlier. I'm not editing that part out either.
Oh no.
Yeah. Alright, yep. I need more of this.
Mine is perfect.
Mine is not.
Mine is absolutely great.
It's pain. Alright. Can you mix that for me,
Yeah.
please?
I'm good at this.
You probably are. You're the one that does.
Oh wow, your slime is horrible.
I'm horrible at making slime. Don't judge me.
Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. You just have to really get the sides.
Oh.
Okay. See? There. That's good. You just...
Alright, now we mix them together?
Nope.
Dang it. It's grabbed on.
Okay, now you're going to want to
Oops.
empty it out of the bowl. Would you rather do this on this? We're going to wipe it down anyways.
No, I'd rather just do it on there. Alright, what are you doing? Water, you doing? I don't even get her anymore.
Water, you doing? I get it. But
Because we sometimes add water to our slime.
we didn't this time.
Yeah, I know. Because I would be editing out. That's a flipping tutorial. I'm totally editing that out.
Because it's not flipping tutorial.
Hey, don't judge me.
It's not flipping tutorial.
Yeah,
If this video hits 20
20
likes, we will do a Minecraft survival series. So make sure you drop the like button. You can do it in 3, 2, 1. You're done.
If you did not do that, well, just comment down below if you did.
Yeah.
Do you hear the sound, guys? Is that good sound?
You're not doing it how I said to do it.
I will hold it while she mixes it.
Now get it off. Now get it onto this.
So get it on.
Get it onto this. Then okay. Now we're gonna mix it. How about we just do it on here? It won't stick. Actually, we're gonna be right back. Now it's mixing, your favorite part.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Yes, and we're making galaxy slime just to remind you guys. We got the idea from something that we got.
It's a kit that we got. We didn't like it.
Yeah, because all it did was make that crunchy, like, horrible slime.
Crunchy slime is good.
No, I don't mean like. I mean like it would dissolve whenever you touched it. It was weird.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah, I think you made a little bit more.
Do you want help? Oh no.
I want to.
Then put your hand in there.
That's why I got some tea.
Kayla! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this.
Oh my goodness, it's forming together, bro. Rose, yeah, she's doing all the dirty work. I just sit back.
Dirty. Okay, so grab half of it. Now pull it to the middle. Pull it to the middle. Pull it to the middle. Now pull it to the middle. Now.
Mix it now. It's gonna turn into one color.
Okay, don't mix it. Don't mix it.
Ah,
No, it turned into one color.
it's fine. Well, you don't have to do galaxy. You can do this with any color. Like
So
we
guys,
did at the beginning.
It still works. It still works. It still has blue in it, but it did. We're gonna clean our hands off, and then we're gonna show you the slime. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so this is the review of our slime. It's very stretchy. It's kind of sticky. You can pop it.
There's like bubbles sometimes.
Again, you don't want to play with it like this, but you can keep doing this, and it will get less stickier and less stickier and less stickier. So we're gonna work on that.
And hopefully next video,
But it's better slime. Yeah. So anyways, it's really pokey and stuff. And we're going to tell you we have a very big schedule for you guys. And we're starting out small. Hopefully our community can grow. So please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. We would love to do it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you. Bye. Bye.